We dive into the land of Mexico's Pacific coast, a region renowned globally for its lush beaches, vibrant tourist centers, and rapid development. It is here, nestled in the specific, small valley surrounding Puerto Vallarta, that we find one of the most remarkable and threatened species on Earth, the Vallarta Mud Turtle, or Cynistern invocti. Discovery and naming. This species remained a secret from the scientific world until very recently, formally described within the last decade. Its discovery in the heart of a highly populated and commercialized area underscores how easily a tiny, localized species can be overlooked by herpetologists for generations. The turtle was named in honor of Dr. Richard C. Vogt, a distinguished herpetologist who dedicated decades to studying the reptiles of Mexico. The turtle's local moniker, Casquito de Vallarta, Little Vallarta Helmet, is a testament to its small stature and its characteristic defense mechanisms. Physical description and world record size. The Vallarta Mud Turtle is a biological marvel primarily due to its size. It holds the record as the smallest known turtle species in the world. Miniature stature. Adults are true miniatures, rarely measuring more than a few inches in shell length. Distinctive male marking. Sexual identification is made easy by a vivid characteristic. The male possesses a prominent, bright yellowish-orange spot or shield centered on its snout, between the eyes and nostrils. This feature is typically muted or absent in the female. Carapace and defense. The shell is generally smooth and a uniform dark brown or olive. Its plastron bottom shell is hinged, allowing the turtle to partially close its shell tightly against predators, a crucial defense mechanism in its vulnerable, shallow water habitat. Habitat endemism and survival cycle. Vogti is a microendemic species, meaning its entire natural population is confined to a tiny geographic area, the coastal plain and lower basin of the Amca River near Puerto Vallarta, split between the states of Jalisco and Nayarit. It is one of the most geographically restricted turtle species on the planet. Fragmented ecosystem. The turtle thrives in shallow, slow-moving or stagnant aquatic habitats, including seasonal wetlands, swampy pools, and drainage ditches. The species prefers calm waters with abundant vegetation, which provides both shelter and food. Critically, only a minuscule fraction of these original wetland habitats remains due to human activity. Dietary habits. They are opportunistic omnivores, preying on readily available small aquatic life, such as insect larvae, small invertebrates like snails and worms, carrion, and various aquatic plants. Reproduction and independence. Females typically lay only a small clutch of eggs, usually between 1 and 5 during the rainy season. Like most aquatic turtles, the hatchlings are precocial, meaning they are independent from birth. They emerge from the nest alone and immediately seek water, ensuring that siblings rarely remain together. The dry season challenge estivation. Survival in their tropical climate demands adaptation to long, severe dry seasons. When their shallow habitats evaporate, the turtles engage in estivation. They burrow deep into the humid soil, sometimes for months, slowing their metabolism to near dormancy, patiently waiting for the life-giving return of the seasonal rains. This reliance on undisturbed, damp soil is essential for their existence. The extinction crisis. The Vallarta mud turtle is classified as critically endangered, signaling an extremely high and immediate risk of extinction in the wild. Its tiny geographic range multiplies the impact of every threat. The unrelenting march of development. Rapid, poorly planned construction for resorts, residential areas, and infrastructure is the paramount threat. It has virtually eliminated the habitat and fragmented the last few populations, isolating them from genetic exchange and vital resources. The little remaining habitat is continuously threatened by development. Mass road mortality. During the rainy season, turtles must move across land to find new foraging grounds or to lay eggs. These movements frequently involve crossing busy roadways, leading to devastating losses from roadkill that the small, isolated population cannot sustain. The black market threat. Due to its novelty, extreme rarity, and miniature size, the turtle is highly sought after by collectors. This pressure from the illegal pet trade further depletes the vulnerable wild numbers, with instances of theft from research facilities being reported. Environmental stressors. Pollution from urban and agricultural runoff degrades the water quality of the remaining habitats. Furthermore, climate change intensifies drought, lengthening the stressful period of estivation and shortening the crucial time available for feeding and breeding. Dedicated conservation efforts. The fight for Kinistern is an urgent race against time, championed by a coalition of local Mexican scientists, government agencies, and international partners. Assurance colonies. Captive breeding programs have been established in zoos and research facilities, often in collaboration with the University of Guadalajara, to maintain a genetically diverse population safe from immediate wild threats. This assurance colony acts as a crucial safety net for potential future reintroduction. Habitat protection and acquisition. Efforts are focused on identifying, monitoring, and legally protecting the last few remaining wetland parcels. This involves advocating for their designation as protected natural areas and pursuing the challenging task of purchasing or leasing land to permanently restrict development. Ecological research. Researchers are employing modern techniques, including tracking methods, to map the turtles' movements and understand their breeding cycles and behavior in the wild. This data is indispensable for planning the implementation of wildlife crossings and conservation corridors to mitigate road mortality. Public and institutional awareness. A key component is local outreach and education. Raising awareness among city planners, developers, and the community about the global significance of this unique, endemic species is essential to securing the political will for its long-term protection and responsible land use. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. And for more content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss anything. I'll see you in the next one.